Okay, here we have our Reliant 10-inch mini lathe. Not very big, just right for most purposes. A little walk around. It's a great first lathe. As you can see, I have it mounted on some 2x12s and 2x6s, so it's well weighted. It can sit on your bench top and you can work away there. The speeds can be changed by changing the belt on the pulleys. The belt's in good shape. And there are 4 speeds, 980, 1430, 260, and 3100 RPMs. So you can turn a variety of materials. And we'll go ahead and turn it on. And as you can hear, it's in good shape. It's not noisy. The bearings and the motor seem pretty sound. And in the back section here is where you open this, and then you can change the belts. Anyway, this is, again, the Reliant 10-inch mini lathe. The bed here is approximately 2 feet long. And if you need some added information, just reply via email and I'll do that for you.